This week is London Tech Week, and I know one topic at the front of everyone's minds is AI. That's why I want to talk to you about what we're doing and also share some news exclusively for iNews readers. Now, I get people are worried about AI. That's why we're going to do cutting-edge safety research here in the UK. With £100 million for our expert task force, we will deliver cutting-edge research to ensure that wherever and whenever AI is put to use in the UK, it is done so safely and responsibly. And that's not all we're doing. Just as we unite through COP to tackle climate change, I want to make the UK not just the intellectual home, but the geographical home of global AI safety regulation. We'll also put in place plans that mean the British people benefit from the changes AI can make. That means attracting and retaining companies capable of developing AI technology, and ultimately demonstrating how AI can improve outcomes in public services. Finally, today, alongside our existing work on AI, I'm really pleased to announce here on iNews 2 new Turing World Leader fellowships. One of these will contribute to AI scientist training, and the other on developing a novel mathematical framework for geometric and graph machine learning. These new fellowships, along with all our work on AI so far, will help build a brighter future for you and your families.